Namaste. My name is Michelle Chua. Thank you for joining me for a guided meditation on your 7 main energy centers or chakras. The intention of this meditation is to bring your loving awareness to your 7 chakras and invite harmony of energy flow through them. So please find a comfortable seat. We'll start in a comfortable seated position. You may want to grab a pillow or a folded blanket and sit towards the front edge of it. Find a way that you can evenly root down physically through your left and right sitting bones and let your spine lift upright without being rigid. Take a moment if you need to shift around, like roll out your shoulders, notice any areas of physical tension you might feel. Check in with the way your body is breathing. And know that you can sit on a chair if that is more comfortable for you as well. And then let your hands rest on your lap if you're feeling busy in the mind or you've already had a pretty busy day. You may want to place your palms face down on your lap. And if you're feeling a need to uplift your energy, maybe turn the palms to face up. In whatever direction, you can bring the thumb and first fingers to touch as a means of focusing inward. So you can choose to either close your eyes or steady a soft gaze on one spot just ahead that allows you to still sit up tall and relaxed. And let's begin by taking a deep inhalation through the nose. Open the mouth. If any sound wants to release, let it go. Again, perhaps a little slower inhalation through the nose without strain. As you reach the top of your breath, open the mouth and let it go. And then try that one more time at your own pace of breathing. A full inhalation through the nose and a clearing, releasing exhalation through the mouth. And as you arrive at the bottom of that exhalation, allow your breath to find its natural flow in and out through the nose. Sense where in your body you can feel your breath enter and exit. Perhaps it's the movement at the chest or the belly. Maybe it's feeling the air through your nostrils. As you land your awareness there now, remember that the nature of the mind is like a monkey jumping here and there. And so if you find your attention wandering off outside of this meditation, allow yourself to come back to that area in your body in which you sense your breathing now. I invite you to join me in the visualization as you land your awareness now at the very bottom or base of your spine. There, I invite you to imagine the color red, a vibrant red. Perhaps in the form of light. Seeing that glowing red at the root energy center or Sahasrara Chakra. Let that red glowing light there offer you a sense of stability, safety, support, and connection to our Mother Earth. And now I invite you to lift your inner gaze to your sacrum, your lower back, your lower abdomen, above the base of your spine and below your belly button. Visualize the color orange, the glowing light of orange. Here is the region of your sacral energy center, Sahasrara Chakra. As you visualize that glowing orange light there, sense a feeling of freedom and ease in your body, freedom and ease in your mind, freedom and ease in your breath. Trusting your ability to flow with life and its mysterious arisings. All here to support you, us, in our greater well-being. And now lift your awareness to your upper abdomen and the area of your lowest back ribs. Sitting above your sacral energy center is your solar plexus energy center, Manipura Chakra. Here, visualize a glowing light, the color yellow, bright and fiery like the sun. Sense your own inner fire to move into action towards your goals. Sense your own digestive fire to take in nourishment from food or any life circumstances that come your way, and to release what is no longer needed. See this yellow glowing light of Manipura Chakra, and allow yourself to feel confident and empowered. And now lift your inner gaze above it at your sternum, the middle of your chest, and in between your shoulder blades. Here, visualize a glowing emerald green light. Here sits your heart energy center, Untitled Chapter. As you allow your breath to continuously flow, sense your interconnection with all beings through the thread of love, your pure essence, unconditional love. Let this glowing green light at your heart center empower your compassion for yourself and others. A balance of giving and receiving, pure, boundless love. And now lift your inner gaze above your heart center, at your throat, the center of your neck. There, imagine a bright blue light. Your throat energy center, Vishuddha Chakra. As you visualize that bright blue light at the center of your throat, sense your ability to communicate with ease, clarity, truthfulness, and loving kindness. Enjoy your creative expression. Your ability to use your voice. And now lift your gaze above your throat energy center, at the center of your forehead, between the eyebrows and above. There, imagine a bright indigo light. Let this glowing indigo light connect you with your inner guidance, your intuition, your inner wisdom, your ability to see the bigger picture, your ability to see through illusion. Ajna Chakra, third eye center, brow center. And now lift your inner gaze above the crown of your head. Visualize a bright white light illuminating your whole being and around you. This is your crown energy center, Sahasrara Chakra. Sense your reflection in all the life around you, and sense all the life around you within you too. Everything connected through the divine tapestry of consciousness. And as you continue to visualize that bright, white, peaceful light at the top of your head, see it beginning to shower down to your brow center, the center of your forehead, down to your throat center, your heart center, your solar plexus center, your sacral center, and all the way down to the base of your spine, your root center. As though that bright white light was blessing all all of these energy centers, inviting harmony of energy flow through all of them. I invite you to sense where any of these 7 main chakras sit, where you feel drawn to place your left hand, giving nurturing attention. And then where you feel drawn to place your right hand, perhaps an area of activated sensation. Starting at the base of your spine at Muladhara root chakra. Visualize taking a deep inhale up each of those 7 main chakras up to the top of your head. And then as you exhale slowly through your lips, slide your inner gaze back down to the roots. Again, inhaling through the nose from the base of your spine, visualize all the way up to the crown of your head. And as you exhale from the crown of your head all the way down to the base of your spine, as though blessing each. Thank you for joining me in this guided meditation. The light in me bows to the light in you. Namaste.